Love is my decision. It's up to me to give of my heart. Love is my decision. No one else can tell me to start. And once I decide to change my mind, I will be shown how. Love is my decision. My decision right here, right now. Love is my decision. It's up to me to stand on that bridge. Love is my decision. No one else can make me forgive. Once I decide to change my mind, I will be shown how. Love is my decision. My decision right here, right now. Love is my decision. It's up to me to dance down this road. Love is my decision. No one else can lighten my load. And once I decide to change my mind, I will be shown how. Love is my decision. My decision right here, right now. My decision right here, right now. Let's go right into a time of reflection together. Our thoughts are prayers, sing it with me, and we are always praying. Our thoughts are prayers, listen to what you're saying. Seek a higher consciousness, a state of peacefulness, and know that God is always here. And every thought becomes a prayer. And every thought becomes a prayer.
Such a peaceful segue into this time of guided meditation. So I invite each of you to enter this time as you will, as the voice of Spirit in here says, here's how I want to approach this private time today, this personal time of reflection. Feel comfortable as you're seated, feel supported. Many of us will close our physical eyes during this time, but it's up to you. This is your time. Let us each know this is my time. This is my time to be fully present to this beautiful instant of time. So just settle in, if you will. Just settle in. Be aware of any tenseness in your body and maybe wiggle around a little bit and let it go. This is our time to relax into the Spirit that breathes us. Just be with it, that's all. Just be with it. Breathe into it, relax into it. Allow my voice to be a monotone in the background so that your own thoughts come forward of peace and serenity. We breathe into the idea of God in us. Let's allow it to control us during these few minutes of time. The blessed presence that truly is who we are. Just be with it. Just be with it. We allow our bodies to relax into an even deeper state, a state of quietness, a state of reflection. And we understand there's nothing to do right now except be. Just be. That's it. Perhaps we'll become highly aware of our breath. Breathing in through our nostrils and exhaling through our mouth. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters us. Our body expand a little bit as it does. And then the exhale where our diaphragm contracts just a little bit and we feel the cycle begin to repeat. And we're just with it. We're simply appreciating the miracle of life that we are. God in us. Breathing gently as we relax deeper into this time. And as we begin to bring this time to a close, we need not bring this feeling and sensation and experience of oneness with the one. We need not bring that to a close. Let it stay with us all day, this peaceful state. Just breathing into it and relaxing into the soil of life. And so as we come back to this beautiful time and place, you may want to wiggle your toes and your fingers and open your eyes. Say hello again to life in the present. And so it is. Amen.